Yongkang Jinle Outdoor Supplies Company Limited is an outdoor product manufacturer with 10 years experience, specialized in designing, manufacturing, and selling high-quality outdoor camping products such as rooftop tent, car-side awning, swag tent, camping trailer. Jinle has the workshop, more than 9,834 square feet, located in Yongkang City, hardware capital of China. With the advantage of well-supporting industries and our attention to camping products development, our products are acclaimed in such markets as Europe, North America, South America, East Asia, Oceania. To meet clients' special requirement, we do customization and launch new products on a regular basis to attract more customers to further increase our brand awareness. We won a good business reputation in the global market with stability of our team and customer center service standard, professional management staff, excellent designers, experienced engineers, and high-skilled worker are available to provide high-quality, cost-effective outdoor products. Welcome to visit our factory and discuss more on our products and designs, establish long-term trade relations, and strong cooperation with mutual benefits.